Guys, welcome back. So Dave and Taste Bud it with you once more. And we are moving, I am moving. Yeah man, so I am at Spanish Town Road and that is on Mandela Highway. Yeah man, so when you go like to the countryside, that is where you find this nice spot that I found. Yeah man, so this spot name brother man. So I make a so I go on. So this is where when you're going to like in the country area and you're on the Mandela Highway. Yes man, also called the Spanish Town Lake, the Spanish Town Road, coming from downtown side. Yes man, this is where you can find this beautiful spot. I know I find this spot now, so one man I drive past and I see this place over here and I was like, let me go check it out today, so when I come over here and see this nice, beautiful chef, yeah, she said she do her thing right here. So guys, I'm gonna just show you a little view of the area and make you see where she is located, right on the little cool, under the big tree. Yeah man, so this is somewhere where you can pass. You want little, we're gonna find out if she do breakfast now. Yeah, we're gonna find out, she do lunch. Yes man, I know that she do lunch because that's why I stopped and purchased my lunch. And it is very good. So we're going to go inside and meet her. But like I always do, show you a little view of the road. So just enjoy a little bit of the roadside right now. Yeah guys. Breeze is just blowing cool right off here. So it's like, you sit on your veranda and just taking that fresh air, so you come right off here. So you just nice little food spot right here. You can have your lunch. So we're gonna go in and find out it right here. Ooh, yeah, soup, that's it. Yes man, that is soup. And like I tell you, we Jamaican, we love our soup. So we're gonna go inside and meet the beautiful chef right here. She's doing her thing. And she told me that she's very shy, Yes man, she's a shy person, but don't underestimate her. Yes man, everything going in the pot. Yes man, all of those beautiful things that she should want to explain out of her mouth. Right into the pot. So let's look at our menu board right here. It's our menu board right here. Yeah man, and we're going to meet Miss Jean. And you also can see a little jerk pan right here, so she must do a little jerk. And you can come right in here and sit back and relax with your friends, have a nice lunch. If you're on your way to the country and you want to make a little stop right here, you can stop right off here. Yeah man, beautiful spot right in here. And we're going to go inside and yes guys, so here we are. And this is the beautiful chef right here. Let's show you our guys right here. Hello Miss Jane.
Hi.
Yes man, lovely lady right here. And I should ask her now when I meet her the first time. I don't know if it's her husband, this is her brother. Who is this gentleman right here? Your husband or your brother?
It's not my husband, it's my church brother.
Church brother!
Yes.
Oh, Miss Jean go to church. Wonderful, great. And this is the church brother right here. Yeah, tell me what your name now. What your name now?
My name is Martin.
I think you're gonna say Pastor Martin. You look like a pastor, Yeah, but we going to pastor one day. Is that so?
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. In the making. And look at Miss Ginger, beautiful place right here. Clean. Yes, man. But we're clean. Outside clean. Under the big old tree right out here. Inside clean. And this is what she's doing. So Ginger, let me ask you a question now. So you know the breakfast time on it?
No, I prepare for lunch.
Oh, just lunch.
Just lunch.
So the lunch go over to dinner or just after lunch everything done?
Yes, I'll go up until say 5
o'clock.
5:30.
Yeah, but dinner time that's
as long as I still have food that is here.
Yes, right up to dinner time.
Passing.
Yes, can stop right here.
Can stop and get something.
So hold on there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pack. So what Miss Ginger doing this morning? What's on the menu?
Well, I scaled down today, so I'm just doing some pea soup.
pea soup.
Right,
Ooh.
a little bit of ackee and saltfish.
Ackee and saltfish.
And I have a little bit of cow foot on this side.
Nice.
Yes, and this
Wow.
is rice and peas.
Rice and peas, beautiful
Right.
rice and peas, and that big pretty pot
and
over there.
Over here we have fried chicken.
Fried
we
chicken.
are doing
So, you know, when it come on to like ackee and saltfish, you know, we Jamaican like it with some wild dumpling.
Yes.
You do the boiled dumpling already?
No, unfortunately today we are not doing any food.
Oh, but you normally do food?
But we normally do
Nice,
food. On a
nice.
Monday,
Yes.
if you come on a Monday, we normally do like ackee and saltfish with boiled yam,
Yes.
banana, and dumplings,
Oh.
sweet potato,
Nice.
and so on. So we
Oh.
do that on a Monday.
Great, great.
And
So the ackee that you're preparing now, a lot of person like myself
like it with rice,
white rice and
they
rice
like,
and
I have a few customers who
Mhm.
does like the rice and peas with ackee and salt.
nice, nice.
Matter of fact, they do ask for it.
The axe for it.
Yes.
Great, great, beautiful. So hold on. So I'm seeing a lot of juice right here, like the Pepsi and the Coke. Or you
Yes.
do natural juice?
Yes, I do.
Natural
I
juice.
do natural juice.
Pastor Robin, I'm gonna show me now.
Yes,
Yes, man, right over here.
We have
This is June plum.
June plum juice. So much one of them there?
And,
June plum is $400.
$400.
And we also
This is
have-
fruit juice.
yes, that is
Fruit
the
juice.
It's 5 fruits in one.
5 juice in one.
5 fruits
No,
in
In
that,
Chinese gin.
that 5
this is
juice.
sour sap.
Sauce juice, that's my favorite.
Sour.
Beautiful. Yes, Miss Jane, what you were saying now?
No, the fruit juice
Mhm.
entails of 5 fruits.
Yes. Oh,
So we have cherry, pine, mango,
nice.
guava,
Nice.
and apple.
Apple juice.
Yes.
Oh, nice Jin. So I like what I'm seeing. Like what I'm seeing. She's such a shy, but I don't believe her. Maybe she's shy to talk to me that day. Oh, but you look scared that day.
I'm a very shy person. I like to work behind the scenes.
She like her behind the scene. That's what she told me. So how long you been cooking now?
I am here since 2015.
2015.
Yes.
2015.
So,
Long time.
yes, ma'am.
Very long time.
Yes.
2015.
Yes.
Nice, nice. So,
So,
business been going on in our
Yes,
yeah,
been
business.
going on.
Up and down.
Up and down.
Up and
Up
down.
and down.
Well, people are gonna know you know, Miss Jin. People are gonna know. So, it's
It's Jen Jen.
Jen. I'm yes.
Because what
My
happened,
bad.
my pet name is
Yeah.
Jennifer.
Jen. Oh, so just
That's
Jen.
my pet name.
Jennifer.
So, but my customers come along now and they call me Miss Jen, Auntie Jen.
Oh,
Right.
that's who we come to now, call her Jen Jen.
So, if you notice on the shop on
Yes.
the outside,
Yes.
you will see
Jen.
the name Jen
Jen Jen.
Sweet Pot.
Jen Sweet Pot.
Right.
Great, beautiful, nice. Look at me, I'll call her Ling Ling, you know. So, look at me, say Ling Ling. So we're show them place, man. We're gonna stick around, and when Miss Jen finish, we're gonna see what's our thing look. I know it's gonna look beautiful because I come here and I see some people buying lunch the other day and it look great. Hold on, me taste it.
No,
No,
because you
me
didn't
never
come and
taste
stay.
it.
You
I just come and
shut
go.
and
But we're gonna taste it today. Alright guys, so we're gonna stick around and see what's going on. And the big bad man over here, so that's helping her, the side man. Yes man, that do the thing on the side. What else you do again? You kill the goat? You kill the goat for the cow goat? For the bird goat?
By the soup,
By the soup.
chicken and a lot of things.
Nice. Well, Miss Jen, such a shy, but you don't look shy to me. At this time, I look shy. You shy, boss?
Well, yes.
You shy? Yeah, man, this man shy, man. You can see it funny, but I mean, nobody knows see, man. Yeah, but later on, they will see you, though. Them not see you now, no. So just free up yourself. But later on, I'm gonna see you. Big up yourself.
Yeah,
Yes,
bless
man. So when they're on, we'll soon come trouble Miss Jen again. I'll be there, I can't Jin. I don't know what happened to me. So we're gonna go out there, so we're gonna show the people the beautiful place and can come and sit back and eat. But why you not playing music and anything then?
No. I don't do any music. I have like persons who come and having their meal, they will hold a conversation
Okay.
and and so we interact with the customers.
Nice, Miss Jen. Nice. Well, I mean, we're gonna show the people in the nice place where Miss Jen have right up here. And she have to keep her door locking up because I don't want to see any flies. And this is the mesh right here. This is a mesh. You can see the mesh where my hand is. This is a mesh. So there's no fly in here. No fly. And right over here also, this is a mesh right here. Where you see my hand again right here. There's a mesh. No fly. Yeah, man, no fly because me not like fly. I don't know who like fly. Yes, much, but we can't allow the fly. Yeah, because, me not like fly. But me see Rush, me not too rough, but he hate when fly pitch on me. No man, yeah, so nice place guys where you can come in and have your lunch, and like she said, if it don't finish, yeah man, so like if it's not finished, you know, say boy, you can come up in the evening, you know, so 5 o'clock, you can see our thing right here. Yes man, so this is Jen sweet pot. Beautiful Jen sweet pot right here. Nice Jen sweet pot. Woo! Yes man, and like I said, on Spanish Town Road, knowing many people know it as Mandela. Yes man, and you can see the beautiful hills right up here. Yes, and some nice house. Yes man, so like I was supposed to come up there. Nice house in the hills right there. Great guys. Nice. And up here the other part, speed on this road right here. Yes man, speed on this road right here. Like I said, guy, I find this place, you know, going to work one morning, and I said I passed this place 2 times, and I said, boy, I have to come and take a look. And when I look, you know, I see Jen. That day was so dreadful to her when she heard the news, because she said, boy, she could have day at work, you know. But nevertheless, still beautiful, hence to come and buy your lunch, because when I stop here the other day, a lot of persons stop right off here. Yeah man, a lot of persons stop and buy them lunch and go, while some was having them lunch inside, you know, and I was speaking to her, telling her, you know, I like her ends, I'm gonna come back. Yeah man, so whenever time you feel like you come get a lunch, man, I'm gonna stick around and taste Miss Jen lunch, and I know Miss Jen lunch must taste great with that beautiful smile that she having, so she have on her face. So when you're in your kitchen and you're smiling, mommy always say, when you smile in the kitchen, food are go nice. When you mix up the kitchen, either too salt or the rice get tough, you know, something must go down. But when you cook your food and have that little smile on your face, woo! Yeah man, so we'll stop talking now. So we're going to go back to Miss Jen, and so we're going to the kitchen now. We're going to take Miss Jen style again. Yeah, so we're back here with Miss Jen. Miss Jen, can...
I close it out.
Yeah, but I mean, nothing wrong with that, man. You have to close out also the fly, so... If they come in with me, at least they can't pass come in here, so... Alright, so I need one sauce up juice. So we're gonna make sure try this sauce up juice. Cause I have someone with me, you know, so she said she want to try it. She wait on food, but it's the food not done yet.
Okay.
So you know, she buy her food.
Alright.
So but the time she wants something to drink.
Alright.
Your sauce up.
There's no milk in it.
No milk,
It's just
straight sauce.
sauce up
So miss,
and just lime and ginger.
nice. That's
Just
supposed to say,
lime and
yo, that one the bad. No milk. A lot of person don't like milk. And Miss Jen said there's no milk in this beautiful sauce up juice right here. Look at it. Rich. How much for this one, Miss Jen? $4.50 for this one. Yes. So Miss Jen said there's no milk. I know, you know me want water. Yeah man, I'm gonna buy water. Buy water with our money. Nah, send me out for free. I you know me not like ice water though. I listen just
You want the
room temperature. Okay. Yeah, you know me at the room temperature. The last time I come here, she remember, you know. Room temperature. And she lied a while ago, because last time I come here, I saw pop bottom and she said she not done. I joke, man. It's true. Say I go like, so you eat bun bun. Yeah, hold on, you don't eat bun bun, bro? You don't eat bun bun? You don't eat bun bun with a pot? You look a bun left back and put the gravy upon it. Come on, man, we Jamaican. Let me tell them. Let me tell them when they come back to you. Because you know, so we Jamaican, you know. When mommy don't cook sometime, you know, they look a bun on the pot bottom there, you know. Whether you're big or small, we're going to scrape it out and put gravy upon it. Wrong, I'm right. Oh, you eat your, tell them how you eat your bun bun. They tell them how me eat mine. How you eat your bun out of pot now.
Just the same as what you said.
Yeah.
Down after the gravy on it.
Nice. Of course, beautiful. But we can't tell her Miss Jen not do that though. Miss Jen not eat bun.
I'm not a big eater.
You're not a big eater? Nice. Alright. Miss Jen says she's not a big eater. Well, you can see her, she's a very small lady, you know. Yeah man, but are you a big eater? No. Alright, boss.
I'm trying to keep the figure.
Oh yes, all these years. Are looking nice. Yes man. She look nice, you know. Yeah, Miss Jen, so
Right,
she
so
don't
this
eat a
is
lot.
yours.
So this is our change.
Yes, that's your change.
Alright, so this is my water. At the time it's very hot, you know. So this is my water right here. And this is the great sauce of juice. Yeah man. So Chef, we're going away on the food.
Yes, it
Yeah,
should
man.
be ready.
Alright, we should go away on the food. Alright. Taste the good old sauce of juice right here. Ooh! Refreshing. So there's no milk in this one. Just ginger and lime. Refreshing. Wow. Yeah man. I can taste the ginger in it.
Rice and peas with soup.
The rest of you soon ready. Oh, Miss Jen on time, man. So Miss Jen done food before 12. Of course. So you can come right here. Miss Jen food finished before 12. So you don't have to worry yourself. She always on time. Yes, man. You don't have to come and wait. Yes, man. So today is Saturday. You say you have soup. You say
Yes.
the nice soup.
Yes, I have
Yes.
soup today. But other days,
Mhm.
I do like different, I have different menu.
Menu.
Right.
Nice.
And I do like cow head.
Oh.
Once I get that curry goat.
Yes. You the pork.
And those
You do pork?
yes, I
Stew
do,
pork.
yes, I do pork and bean.
Nice.
I do stew beef. I do stew peas.
Okay.
Chicken chop suey.
Wow.
So
And those days that you're talking about, this menu. Like for instance, today is Saturday. This menu that you're doing today, but you showed me just now, is what you do on Saturday.
No, I kind of mix.
Oh, you mix it
I
up.
kind of do a mix one.
Mix it
yes.
up, mix it
because
up.
the thing is this, you don't want the customer to be a little bit bored
Nice,
of the
nice.
same thing
Thing every
every day.
Oh, great,
So you
great.
kind of
Mix it up.
Yes.
Mix it up.
And then I do have a few customers who will come and say, Miss Jen, you can do so and so tomorrow. You know, so I do
nice.
let them be a part.
You mean like some office person like will call you set up a lunch for them? You do that? Like for
Yes,
instance.
man. All right. For instance, I have a customer across over the Sherwin Williams,
Yes.
and he'll say, well, he doesn't eat meat.
Yes.
So he'll call and he'll say, can you do a stew for me?
Oh, fix
And
stuff for them.
Yes. And I am.
Oh,
I'm
so
gonna
what
do
Miss
it.
Jen is saying, I'm gonna make she put her number in the description so you can call her. So what she's saying, if you work nearby where she at, you can call and tell her you want your steam fish or whatever, you know, you call and she can tell you, say, okay, I can fix up that for you. You understand? So that is what
Yes,
Miss Jen saying.
Yes.
Don't
So
worry.
I
Yes,
try
man.
to have a dialogue with the customers, and I also let them be a part of what I'm doing.
Nice.
Because they are the ones who make the business.
Nice, nice. Good businesswoman. Of course, Miss Jen. Of
And
course.
if there are times that I do have like having a conversation with them,
Yes.
and just to do have a feedback
Yes.
of I would like to know what they would like to see different, what they would want different.
So they tell you
and
what to
then-
look about and you just deal with
Yes,
it.
sometimes.
Beautiful, Miss
Yes,
Jen. This is one
sometimes.
is new to me. All this time that I'm doing my little rounds in the kitchen. At this first I'm hearing that, well, maybe it go same way with the rest of places, but Miss Jen is the one that tell me.
I'll let them be a part. I'll let
part
them
of
be
it.
a part of this. All right. For
Alright.
instance, I may have a customer who say, Mr. You can do some turn corn meal, you know, in
Yeah.
Tapa restaurant.
You did already?
They will
Yeah.
do, and they will call it palanto.
Oh, Palanta,
So but we
nice.
as Jamaican used to it as turn corn.
Torn Camille. A ton Camille. Yeah, man.
So,
yes.
I will do that for them.
Nice,
you know.
nice. But in the same time before we forget, you can just give him a number so I can put it in the description. So like we're saying, you work nearby or you're past like myself and you want to stop, you can call Miss Jen before 12 and tell her what you want. So you try to leave her number right now with you
Yes,
guys.
and also my number is on the shop too, but I'll
Yeah,
tell you.
sorry.
Yes,
Yeah, but you
yes.
tell the same number.
My
is.
number is 876
Nice.
33 77 922.
Nice. Okay.
So that's my number.
That's her number, you could call her, man. And I want to like the boss to say, no man I ever wash up, wipe up, and I clean up. Yeah man, great,
Clean as you
beautiful.
go along, you know.
Clean as you go along. Yeah man, most all restaurant that I visit, man, them always clean. Yeah man, I like the settings because people like cleanliness. And what I'm seeing right now, clean. And what I tell you a while ago, guys, no fly. Let me come here, please. Okay. What? See the net right here? Yeah man, you might not see it clearly, but there's a net right here. Yeah man, that keep out all the fly them. So if a fly feel like he want to come taste piece of chicken, he can't come in. He cannot come in. And there's one more mesh right here now. And on the outside out there where you see I'm pointing, there's a mesh out there as well. Yeah, them can't come in. Cannot come in. So Jamaican place is so protected. Yeah man. And this is also some finishing touch of our Christian chicken right here. Beautiful. Golden brown. Look at it. Beautiful. See it right there? Hold on, you sure that KFC chicken will come here, Mr. It looks so. Look like KFC chicken. Nice. See that? Yeah man, Miss Jenny, what 15 years she's been cooking, so of course it must look like it. Yeah man, so we're here with this one beautiful I'm gonna say Jen. Yeah man, people call her Jen as well. So taste boy call her Jen too. Yeah man, small world. Jen about a son who know me too. I mean know him too. Small world. Yeah man, Jamaica, it's very small, so you got to talk to some people that we hear from the show. Your family, nice, of course, just as well. And guys, don't worry yourself. I'm not going outside, but I can show you. Even if you're coming here, Mr. Jen, please, and you want to, you can call it a little pit stop, where you want to have the rest stop, it's right out here, sir. See it right out here? No worries. Something out there? Yes, that's the rest stop. You can go right. Am I right, Mr. Jen?
Yes.
That's the rest stop right out there. You can see it right out there. Yeah, my little cowboy style, see there? The rest stop. Don't worry yourself, and also there's a pipe out there where you can wash your hand. No worries. I see the pipe, Mr. Don't worry yourself, the circle place already, man. I see it. Yes, man, I see it. Yeah, man, I see the thing, man. You know, you have to be very observant, you know. Yeah, man, we see it, man. Yeah, man, so we're in the kitchen having fun. Yeah, man, and when we go to the kitchen too, man, I always, my thief style too, you know. Watch how them cook them food and care to my yard and do the same thing. Don't worry yourself, Miss Jen. How you cook me and do the same thing too. Yes. Oh, she cook and do the same thing.
So, this box, I'm going to give you a little bit of everything.
Oh, alright, Miss Jen.
The only thing I didn't get a chance to do is some veg.
Oh, vegetable.
Yeah, I don't do any vegetables.
Yeah, Baki right there. No worries. Yeah, Baki right there. Yes, man. Miss Jen, no, you ask me a question, Miss Jen. You want to give me the whole pot to eat? I can't eat it off, you know, Miss Jen. I don't watch weight.
Alright, don't do like me.
I know. Miss Jen says she watch her weight. And the gentleman here say, watch it. You watch weight too? No, I don't believe you. I know, because you're like a Maga man. You're the Maga man. You're the Maga man. We can guarantee so back then they call you Bigs. They don't call you Bigs yet. Our tick man.
Yeah.
Ah, we Jamaican full of name. If I know Bigs, a tick man. Yes, man. Alright.
Now, so, if you know, this Jen.
Yeah.
If she get catering, she do it like somebody a function.
Oh, I don't reach there yet because I have a lot of questions I got Miss Jen because she shine me to take the time come out with it because I don't want Miss Jen run from me. But because you say it, I still got to ask her. You know, Miss Jen, you were saying like, for instance, someone want to look at they're doing catering, Miss Jen also can come there and do that. Come on, Miss Jen, you all want your secret, so come tell him your secret, man. When you don't do your thing, come tell him your secret. Tell him what you do. Yes, come tell him what you do. Tell the people what you do. So Miss Jen share my phone here, so she's gonna give me a little everything right in this little thing right here. So much that size school like that, no, Miss Jen? If them come and buy for that size plate here.
Depending on what they are buying.
Oh, depending on what they buy.
Right.
So the dairy food is how much?
This box would be for 13. Once it's chicken.
Oh,
So
13.
they would get 3 pieces of chicken in
Nice.
there.
Nice.
Once it's
Reasonable. Look right here. So in this box they call it the large box. For us they call this the large box.
yeah, that's
And then you have the smaller box.
yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Alright. So what I'm gonna ask my second in the car that waiting for me. That's a shit. My food different from PR. Yes. 1300 for PR food.
She only wants chicken.
Yes, she need her chicken. Need her chicken. So you deal with her first and then come back to me.
Okay.
Anything, I deal with me and then come back to she. Anything.
Alright, I was setting you up.
Ah, that's mine, man. That's mine. Don't make mine look like PR at all, man. The bigger.
Alright.
Of
So,
course.
I'm gonna give you a piece of chicken in this one.
Beautiful chicken right here.
We are on the chicken you like.
Miss Jen, the only thing on chicken I don't eat is feather.
Okay.
Yes,
All
we
right.
don't watch nothing on chicken that the feather we don't eat. I just feather you eat either. Just the feather you eat. Yeah, I don't want to let him know, you know. Don't want to let him know, because I just the feather me not eat, so you know everything else for the chicken can eat. But Miss Jen now cook it. Alright. So have fun with the customer them, have fun. Nice. I can pause this for a while. Small food right here. Small. And also that large.
Chicken gravy you want it, right?
So this is a small barber fry right here. Beautiful right here. And a size like that, Miss Jen, is how much?
This one is $7.50.
$7.50 for that one. Nice. So you have $7.50 and you have one for the 13. And the beautiful veggie right here. So you do also do pasta.
Yes, ma'am.
But a lot of person like, you know why people always go for pasta? Curvy people like myself. Got more and more food, my belly full up. That's what they always say, give me the pasta. Yeah, man. And while a lot of person even like the vegetable right here, you know? Yeah, man. They call it the live vegetable. Yeah, man. And some persons still like the pasta. Yeah, man. And like I said, guys, she have our natural juice inside the fridge right here. Yeah, man. And so the soursop juice, the carrot juice, you know, and the fruit punch, you know. So I taste the soursop juice earlier, very refreshing, nice, with the lime and the ginger. You can taste it. It should make me not want more milk than my soursop juice. Cause all the while me drink soursop juice, milk in it. But this one, there's no milk in it, just the soursop, the lime, you know. Nice. Yeah, guys, so you see Miss Jen just bring my beautiful lunch come right here. Ooh, look at it. So you have the ackee, and you have the chicken with my vegetable with rice and peas. Ooh. Yeah, man, so I'm here early, guys, and the customer them are just rolling in right now for their food. And this is my food, which I'm going to have the ackee, the chicken, and the cow. Yeah, man. This food is so a lot of person like the ackee with rice, and as well, you know, ackee go well with the food ground preparation with dumpling, white flour dumpling, and also, you know, yam and banana go well with ackee. And you have some person who like the white rice with their ackee. So it's very great. You can try it. And like I said, guys, you can when you're driving past on the Mandela Highway, I show you the roadside already where you can come in and have your lunch. And she also should finish at about 6 o'clock thereabout. You know, she don't go far than till from 7 in the morning she start and she finish her lunch by 12 o'clock. You can come and get your lunch. And she left her number in the description so you can call her. And like I said guys, I find her wherever they are. And I'm right here having my This food is very good, like nice. This is cow skin right here, guys. That cow skin right here. Cow skin. Nice. Christian, I think it's one of them sauce up juice that big. So the sauce up juice, I don't remember if I asked her the prices for the sauce up juice and the fruit punch and also the carrot juice. I need to ask her how much for the natural juice. How much for the natural juice again?
It's 450, natural juice at 400.
So this is for 450 and the natural juice is for 450. So like I said guys, I like this because there's no milk in it and I just tasted one earlier and trust me, very refreshing. Yeah man, you make the sauce up juice, very refreshing. Yeah man, so the food right here, so guys, very great. So guys, yeah man, customers are coming in right now. You know, some of them for the camera. They go to the window and make them order while some come in. So like I said guys, a beautiful spot to come in man. Jen, sweet pot. You know, you get a soup, you know, you get your cow skin, you get your ackee, you get your chicken, you know. And like she said, she normally do sometime where you come here and ask her to prepare it, then she will get it for you. So if you want a steamed fish, she can also go and get it and fix it up for you by lunchtime. You come and get it. So if you work nowhere on the Mandela Highway, right here, you know, or further down on your drive, and you want a lunch and you know you want to go in the hustle and bustle elsewhere, you can stop right here at Mr. Trent Place and buy your lunch. Yeah man, and it's very affordable. And I eat this food guys and I tell you say nice. Must try your ackee and rice. It tastes very good. So like I said guys, Dave and Taste Bud find them wherever they are. We have see the food in Spanish Town. So I'm going to go a little bit further. And I leave town for a while. So I'm going further out now. So I'm in Spanish Town right here on the Mandela Highway. So like again guys, share, subscribe. Until see you again. So what's up juice? Out. Bless up yourself guys. Fresh and beautiful. Top of the head. Now read that. Bless up yourself guys. Yeah man, so Jen come over here say I consume while Taste Bud say boy I eat. and I want you know guys, they don't even say soup again now in Jamaica now, we say sip. Yeah, they don't use the word soup again. So we say I'm gonna have a big bowl of sip. That is it. Yeah man, so I just come back and line a while ago guys. So, you know, too big just say something like yo, when I eat because I consume. So like I said guys, Dave and Taste Bud find them wherever they are. And we're on Mandela Highway. So again, like, share, subscribe. Until I see you guys again. Peace out.